Hello there, Lynn Allen here. Welcome to another AutoCAD tip courtesy of Cadalyst magazine. All right, I have just a little bit of a cold. I'll try not to cough on you during this tip. So a couple of weeks ago, we talked all about the cursor, and this week we're going to talk all about cursor badges. I know what you're thinking. We don't need no stinking badges, which, incidentally, is a total misquote. It's like 3 lines from the movie, put it totally combined into one. Don't believe me? Google it. Look it up. You'll see. I'm not making that up. You do need stinking cursor badges. You do. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If you decide you don't need the stinking cursor badges, I will show you how to turn them off. And apparently now I have an accent. It's Italian. It has nothing to do with the movie at all. What's up with that? All right. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's go in the rotate command. I'm going to go ahead and select the stove here. We'll pick a base point. And what, pray tell, is a cursor badge? Right next to the crosshairs, right there to the upper right-hand quadrant, that little image is a cursor badge. It lets me know I'm in the rotate command. Do you know what else lets me know I'm in the rotate command? The fact that the object I selected is rotating. Oh, and the fact that I manually went into the rotate command. All of those things should let me know I am rotating. But just in case you didn't know, you also have a cursor badge to let you know. That's good to know, right? So in this situation, I'm not really sure the cursor badge is so helpful, but it could be helpful maybe if I was using grips. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, here I am moving. It's very clear I'm moving because I have a cursor badge that indicates that I'm moving. If I type in a C for copy, you'll see the cursor badge changes so that I can tell that I'm copying. Well, that's helpful. I appreciate that. I can also scale. You can type in SC for scale, even though it's not an option there, in case you didn't know it. There's the scale cursor badge. I can also type in RO for rotate here, even though it's not an option. You can do that. There's my rotate cursor badge again. So in that situation, I can see where I like the cursor badge. Okay, where are other cursor badges? You've seen them in Erase. If I go into Erase and I move my cursor over an object, that little X means it's out. It's out. Big X. You're out. That's a cursor badge too, which you'll also see in Trim, the same cursor badge. All right, now, Lynn, what commands have cursor badges? These cool cursor badges. Well, there's a lot of them, so I wrote them down so I don't have to try to remember them all. Are you ready? There's area, copy, distance, erase, ID, list, mass prop. I don't know what that one looks like. Measure, move, rotate, scale. We looked at those. Trim, which looks just like erase, and zoom. There's a lot of them. All right? That's where all the cursor badges pop up. What if you want to get rid of the cursor badges? I don't want no stinking cursor badges. Well, no surprise, you go into the cursor badge command, system variable actually. All right, now this is where it gets a little crazy. It gets crazy here. If you want cursor badges on, you set it to 2. If you want cursor badges off, guess what you set it to? You'll never guess. It's against everything we stand for in AutoCAD. It's crazy. You set it to 1. Shut up, Lynn. Say it's not so. Why? When everything else in AutoCAD is set, you set it to 1 to turn something on. Why are cursor badges different? I have no idea. Good question. Just to keep us guessing, I think. Just to keep us on our toes. I don't know the answer to that question. You'll have to ask the AutoCAD gods. Let me show you that it worked, though. I'll go ahead and pick this little grip. Let's do it again. Grip. Look how sad. Oh, no, cursor badge. Oh, no, what am I doing? I don't know what's happening now. Oh, my gosh. What now? So, have fun with your friends. Ask them how to turn off cursor badges. No one's going to say set it to 1. Because nothing else in AutoCAD works like that. All right, but now you are the cursor badge expert. So turn them on, turn them off. It's up to you. But now you know what they are, and now you know how to work with them. So thanks for joining me. I'll see you back here in 2 more weeks. We don't need no stinking cursor badges.